How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks YouTube channel. This video, I am going to be doing something different, and that is to talk to you guys, my subscribers, or anyone watching this video. If you're not a subscriber and you've seen some of my videos, then go ahead and subscribe if you like them. I'm trying to build up the brand. I'm trying to build my channel out, and I would really like to have you a part of the family. If you're watching this video and you haven't seen any of my other videos, watch those first before you subscribe. I'm not one of those people that want to get tons of subscribers. I want people to subscribe to my channel that like the videos. So yeah, check those out before you subscribe. Make sure you like what I'm putting out before you subscribe. Last thing I want to do is bloat your timeline or put videos up that you guys are just passing over. But yeah, I wanted to make this video talking with my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to me. I really appreciate you guys liking my video. I really appreciate you guys commenting on my videos. That makes me feel like I'm doing something right. And when I see things like that, it really makes me happy. It makes me want to put out more content. Not only content, but quality content for you guys. That's something I have prided myself about. And I know I may have put out some questionable videos. I apologize. Been working on the lighting in this office. This isn't a permanent situation, but as of right now, I'm trying to make the best of it. So the schedule is going to stay the same, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Not going to change that anytime soon. If I do, I will announce it. One thing I don't like is making changes without letting my subscribers know. I feel like you guys are family, and I would never make a sudden change in my schedule that would affect my family. And so if there's any changes whatsoever about the channel, I will let you guys know. In the description, I'm going to have a few things that I want you guys to do for me. I would like to have a way to communicate with you guys outside of YouTube, such as social media. The problem that I have with YouTube right now is my channel is not big enough to have the community tab. I would really love to have a community tab so I can create polls, ask you guys questions that you'll see on your feed. But right now I'm not there. So we're going to be doing some social media things. Look below, you'll see my Facebook, my Twitter, Instagram, even my website. You'll see all of that. If you haven't already, go ahead and you can friend me, you can follow me. Do whatever you need to do to make sure you see me when I post. I don't post often, but when I do, it is regarding Faulks Tech YouTube channel. So if there's a change, if there's a sudden roadblock, if there's a sudden emergency that I can't make a video, I'll be posting it there. And if you guys don't see that, then and you come looking for a video and you don't see one, check my social media to make sure that nothing's happened. So discussing videos, we have much more coming. One thing I would like you guys to do is in the comment section on this video below, please give me ideas. I have plenty. Then I have some videos that I plan on doing, such as I have another PC build coming up, and I have some more NVIDIA Shield videos coming up. I'm looking at branching out, but right now NVIDIA Shield videos are killing it. They're my number one. Every NVIDIA Shield video I have put out grows really fast when it comes to views, and that's doing really well. So I want to stick to what I know and stick to what is working. I'm going to branch out here and there to see if you guys like the videos. But I want to know what you guys want to see. You are my subscribers. You subscribed to me for a reason. Maybe you liked a video. Maybe you liked something I said. Maybe you were just interested in something I did a video on. But you are subscribed to me. I feel like you're family, and I want to know what you guys want to see. I want to know what you guys want to watch. So in the comment section below, just shoot me some ideas. Say, hey, do a video on this. Do a video on that. I really appreciate your guys' input. I have a great family right now, and I really appreciate you guys. And guys, I really want to thank you all for also liking my videos. I'm getting tons of likes, very few dislikes, not too much worried about those. If you guys see a video and you don't like it, hit the dislike button. And also, not only that, but tell me what you don't like about the video. The one thing that bothers me about YouTube is you can hit dislike without putting any feedback in. I feel like if you're going to dislike something, then you owe the person you're disliking the feedback. So if you guys don't like a video, if you guys don't like something I'm doing, just let me know. Hit that dislike, put a comment. I didn't like what you said. I don't like watching videos about this. I want to know that. That way I can make sure I put out content that you guys like. That doesn't mean I'm going to curve my content to to meet someone else's lights, but I will do my best to take a general consensus of what you guys are saying and make sure I'm aiming to please you. That's what this is all about. I'm here to please my subscribers. I'm here to make you guys happy. I'm doing things that I love, so as long as your goals align with my goals, with what I love, and we're crossing the middle, which we have been doing, looking at the numbers, then we're going to be a great team. And I really appreciate you guys. I can't say I appreciate you guys enough, because words aren't enough. And yeah, just keep it up, guys. I'm very proud to have you a part of this family. When I started this channel back a few months ago, I didn't expect to have 172 subscribers 3 months down the line. For me, I would say that's quite the undertaking. I didn't even expect to have 50 subscribers. I created this channel just because some of you may know I talked about this in another video, but I had a gaming channel back in the day, and I didn't do well. Let's just say that. And when I created this video, when I created this channel, I was thinking, well, let me give it a try. A lot of people are telling me they would really like to see videos on the Shield, so let me try that first. And man, did it blow up. The videos some have over 2,000 views, and I can't thank you enough for spreading my videos, for helping me reach that goal. And it's just been surreal with how much support. And I know this is only the beginning, and that's what excites me about this channel. It excites me. It fuels my passion for YouTube. I know YouTube, there's a lot of negativity going around about YouTube, but I'm glad I jumped in when I did. If I jumped in and I was making a few bucks here and there, I wouldn't know the full value of working for the money. Right now, I'm only making money from sponsorships, affiliate links such as Newegg, Amazon, and honestly, I haven't made much at all with that. But I'm not one to ask for money. I do have a day job, and that is what's paying the bills now. Eventually, I want to go YouTube full time, and I'm hoping you guys help me achieve that goal by sharing my videos, liking my videos, and doing what you guys do best, which is support me. So guys, keep it up. I really appreciate it. So like I mentioned before, guys, my next video will be a PC build. Not necessarily a PC build. It may be a video about me picking out the parts like I did with my computer build. So I really hope you guys like that. It doesn't seem to be too popular. So if you don't like it, let me know what I can do to improve it. Or just say, just don't do this type of video. That's something I want to know. And also, guys, if you'd like to see in-depth tutorials for operating system, for command line, I'm very well versed in that as well. So just let me know. I'm here to help you guys. If you want me to do a video on things such as a tutorial for Linux, tutorial for SQL databases, I can do anything. This is in no way, shape, or form of me bragging, but I am a jack of all trades in the technology world. So just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll start putting out tutorials for you guys. So guys, I'm going to stop the video here. I went on a little not necessarily a rant, but I talked a little bit more. I told you a little bit too much. The main reason I created this video was to say thank you. I appreciate you guys. Keep it up. You're like family to me, and I'm really happy to have you on board with Faulks. You guys are what's keeping the channel going. So again, in the comment section below, guys, leave me some comments. Tell me what I'm doing right. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what you'd like to see. Tell me what you don't want to see. Tell me whatever you want to. Tell me that it's your dog's birthday. I don't know. I want to hear some feedback in the comments. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Liking would be awesome, so if you do like this video, thank you. And like the video. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time, Tuesday as usual, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.